CIS scholars, I am Sheetal Solanki, your pre-primary educator from Countryside International School. So children, today I am back with a wonderful craft activity for you all, and I am sure you are going to love the activity very much and equally enjoy the craft while you are doing it. So before starting the craft activity, I want to have a small conversation with you. So my dear children, tell me, like we all know, summer days are going on, right? So we drink lots and lots of water, right? And we should also drink lots of water. But there are some birds and animals who are also thirsty, but they don't get water easily. Do you know that? So what should we do? We should always fill a bowl of water and keep near our windows, so that whenever a bird flies and comes to your window, it can drink the water easily, right? So basing on the same thing, today I have got this craft activity for you. See, it's a bird's nest. Here you can see a nest where two birds are sitting, and there is a bowl of water. See, it is beautiful, right? So now we are going to make this craft activity. So children, now let's see what all materials we require for the craft. First, white sheet, A4 size. Other than this, two different color sheets. You can take any color of your choice. So 3 sheets plus a scale, pencil, a scissor, Fevi-stick, a sketch pen, black or brown, and watercolors, 2 or 3, any color of your choice. Other than this, I have taken cotton. Here I have taken the cottons that is used for diya during the puja, but you can take simple cotton as well. Okay? So children, now let's start the craft. So children, now we are going to start the craft. So first we will be making this nest. Okay, so for making this nest, we need a white sheet. Okay, so first you just have to fold like this. For the center point, we have to get a center point like this. Don't fold it completely, we just need a center point like this. Can you see here? Now what we are going to do, fold from both the sides like this till the center point. Like this. Okay. See, from both the sides we have folded it. Now with the help of a Fevi-stick, we have to stick both the sides. Now just press it. So now we have got this shape. Okay. Now what we are going to do, take scale and pencil. Now we are going to mark lines. Now how do you have to mark the lines? We just have to leave some space from here and from here, all the 3 sides, and make a line. I'll show you. Amount of space left from all the 3 sides must be equal, same. I'll show you. See, one line from here, one line from here, and one line from bottom. Now first I'm going to cut the bottom line. See, first I'm going to cut the bottom line. Okay, now we have got this piece of paper. Don't throw it, keep it here. Now we are going to cut these 2. So students, just remember one thing, whenever you are using the scissor, be very careful, otherwise I recommend you that take your mama's help while using the scissors because scissors are very sharp. Similarly, we have to cut from both the sides. I'll show you. See, we had marked 3 lines, one here and one down. This piece we have cut, and from here and here also we have cut. Now we have to cut from here also. Okay. So be very careful when you are cutting. So now we have got this shape. Now what we are going to do, we have to stick this piece of paper in the bottom. So now just apply the fabric on both the sides of the paper, here also, and just stick the paper. So children, see, our nest is ready. See, our nest is ready. Now we are going to make the birds. So for making the birds, we need 2 circle shapes. So you must be thinking, how can we make a circle? I'll tell you. In the beginning of the video, I have showed you this paper. So what you are going to do, take this paper, fold it from this like this, fold it like this. Then either take your mama's bangle or take any circular bowl like this, keep it on the paper, do the marking with the help of a pencil and just cut with the scissor. Okay. So now we have got this 2 circles. Now for making the bird, what we are going to do, take both the circles like this. Okay. Then make a cut till the middle of the circle like this. Okay. Now what we are going to do, just hold it like this, and we need to give a round shape from the above. So how are we going to give it? Just see, I am showing you. Like this. See, can you see this shape? Okay, now what we are going to do, now we are having our 2 birds. Now what we'll do, just see. Now we just need to fold. Like this, and the other one also. Okay. So now our 2 birds are ready. Now we are going to cut. See, I have just made a fold here. Now we are going to cut here. I'll show you how we have to cut. See, like this. Okay. And similarly we have to make the same cutting for the other bird also. Like this. Now what we have to do, we have to make the beak. So take another paper. So children, we have taken another paper. Now what we have to do, you have to make a small triangle shape. like this, and a small semicircle shape like this. Now we are going to cut both the shapes we are going to cut. See, now we have got 2 semicircles and 2 triangles. Now we are going to stick this in our bird. See, now the semicircle we have to stick in the bottom. Show you how. See, like this. Now with the help of a sketch pen or marker, we are going to make the eyes. So now our birds are completely ready, right? Now we are going to stick our bird here. So children, before sticking the birds, we are also going to make a water pot. So I'll just draw a water pot here so that we can cut that also, and we will stick all the things together. Okay, see, I have done it like this shape you have to draw, and then you just have to cut. See, now we have got the water pot shape. Now we are going to stick. So first we are going to stick this water. See, here. Now put the birds. Both the sides. See, so our nest with the birds are ready. See, so now it is looking so simple, right? So now we are going to use our cotton and watercolors for decorating it. Okay, so my dear students, now we are at the final stage of our craft. Now what we are going to do, we are going to decorate this. Okay, so for this I have taken the watercolors. See, I have taken these 3 colors. You can take any color of your choice, or you can also take any 2 colors. Okay, and few cotton. So here I have used the cotton that we use for diya, but you can also use that normal cotton balls. Okay, so first I have taken some color and just cotton candy. So see, yellow color. Now show you together. Okay. This you can do of your choice. See. Now, how beautiful it is looking, I'll show you, okay? Just see, our bird nest is ready. See how beautiful and colorful it is looking. But it just need to get dry, okay? So students, I hope you enjoy this craft activity. So do this craft activity at home and don't forget to put a bowl of water near your window. And we will be soon meeting in my next video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Bye bye.